One of the benefits that you would readily avail if you're under subscription is you could download a free upgrade of your software whenever a new version comes out. And also, you could also download product enhancement for your software. So how do you do that? At the left side of the subscription center portal, there is a link in here for the downloads. So by clicking the download button, it will automatically prompt you to download your upgrade. So if you click now this button to download your upgrade, it will automatically list the products or the versions that you could readily download. So if there is already a new version, it will now list within the screen that particular version that you could download now. So for example, since the 2014 version is about to be released, it hasn't been listed in here yet. So in here, up to only the 2013 version that is available for download, let's say for AutoCAD Design Suite. So if I click now the 2013 version, it will now list the versions that you could download. So what are these versions? There is a version here for a 32-bit machine and a 64-bit machine. And also, you could also download a Mac version of AutoCAD within this link. So if I want to download now, let's say a 64-bit ADS, I just click now the down button here on the side, and I can just click the download button. So I could readily share this installer to all my other colleagues, or I could just click the install now button and it will automatically install the AutoCAD Product Design Suite within my machine. For the product enhancements, okay, product enhancement are enhancement to a particular Autodesk software. So for example, a new version of AutoCAD was released, and later in the year, Autodesk releases enhancement to that particular product for AutoCAD, for example. So these enhancements are additional features that could be installed for let's say for AutoCAD. So this feature was not readily available when the product was released. So by downloading this product enhancement, you could now use this as let's say you could download this to be used by end users before a new version readily becomes available. So in this example, for the product enhancement, let's say for the 2013 version, there is an enhancement for Autodesk Maya 2013. So you could download this by clicking this button, and it will automatically prompt you to download what particular version or what particular language that you want to download for your product enhancement. So that is one of the benefits that you could avail if you are under subscription, which is to download your free upgrade within the Autodesk subscription portal, and also to download product enhancement for the product that for an Autodesk product that you have, which is under subscription.